Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about truck, excavators, bus, cars, etc. So now check the first one. The first one is a police car, yellow color. Okay, now check the next one. Another police car, but this one is a cute police car. Now check the next. Army truck. How about this? Super motorbike, red color. Super motorbike, red color. Red airplane. Mini racing car. This one is a cute racing car. Excavator, mini excavator. How about this one, everybody? Bulldozer. How about this one? Cement mixer truck. United truck. Cement mixer truck. How about this hero? Hero Iron Man. Hero Iron Man black color. Super motorbike. Shoot super motorbike. How about this one? Mini airplane. This one is a cute mini airplane, white color. Okay, now check the next one, everybody. Super motorbike. Police super motorbike. You can see the number 911. And now check the next one. Monster truck. Monster truck, orange color, number 33. Monster truck. How about this hero? Hero Batman. Hero Batman, black color. Truck transporter. Car transporter. Okay, now check the next one. Other interesting cars. Police car, red color. This one is a cute police car. Mini cement mixer truck. You can see this one is a mini cement mixer truck. A bigger truck. Yellow bus. Okay everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.